Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the history of Get version control. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of Get. Get development was started by Torvalds in April 2005 when the proprietary source control management SCM system used for Linux kernel development since 2002, BitKeeper revoked its free license for Linux development. The copyright holder of BitKeeper, Larry McVoy, claimed that Andrew Tridgell had created SourcePooler by reverse engineering the BitKeeper protocols. The same incident also spurred the creation of another version control system, Mercurial. Torvalds wanted a distributed system that he could use like BitKeeper, but none of the available free systems met his needs. He cited an example of source control management system needing 30 seconds to apply a patch and update all associated metadata, and noted that this would not scale to the needs of Linux kernel development, where synchronizing with fellow maintainers could require 250 such actions at once. For his design criterion specified that patching should take no more than 3 seconds and added 3 more goals. Take the concurrent version system CVS as an example of what not to do. If in doubt, make the exact opposite decision. Support a distributed BitKeeper-like workflow. Include a very strong safeguards against corruption, either accidental or malicious. This criteria eliminated every version control system in use at the time. So immediately after the 2.612 RC2 Linux kernel development release, Torvalds set out to write his own. The development of Get began on the 3rd of April 2005. Torvalds announced the project on the 6th of April and became a self-hosting the next day. The first merge of multiple branches took place on the 18th of April. Torvalds achieved his performance goals on the 29th of April. The nascent Get was benchmark recording patches to the Linux kernel 3 at a rate of 6.7 patches per second. On the 16th of June, Get managed the kernel 2.612 release. Torvalds turned over the maintenance on the 26th of July 2005 to Junio Hamano, a major contributor to the project. Hamano was responsible for the 1.0 release on the 21st of December 2005. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the history of Get, a very popular version control system developed by Torvalds, Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.